Okay, y'all. Sorry that cut off. And it moved over. There we go. Alright, whoops. I'll just move all that back. Alright, so I cut off because I was in the middle of doing. And I was showing y'all another mist from my purse. There's the Chanel one. You can see it's much bigger, but I still love it and I still keep it. This is that Tatcha uh, dewy, luminous dewy skin mist. And I did like it. It doesn't smell quite as good. It's more herbal, but it's still very fresh. It's kind of heavy though, is the only thing. Because I think this is real glass, that's metal. But anyway, I do like having it. I don't know why I put these in here, but these are the two CoverGirl lipstick and lip glosses that I just showed y'all on a haul. I always have to have my compact, which my favorite compact is the Powder Blush 02 Rose Bronze from Chanel. Absolutely love it. And also, you gotta have a mirror. I have got way too many mascaras in here. I have the Voluminous Waterproof Carbon Black. I just said I wasn't going to do this, and I'm doing this. The Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. I really do like having this, and I actually do like that on my eyes. I've got a concealer because you just never know. You should always carry a concealer with you. I just got a tickle on my ear. There's not something gross going on. I got a tickle probably because my hair moved. But anyway, this is made from, this is Mineral Fusions, and it's the concealer duo. So you've got a kind of more peachy color on the bottom, and that cancels out the blue, and then you've got a brighter color on the top to actually dot over it and highlight. So I love this. Plus it's clean makeup, and this is in Cool, which is for people with pink undertones. You still got that peachy color. What is this doing in here? This should have been in the other pouch. It's a pair of scissors with the little guard on it, but I always keep a pair of scissors and put that over there with that other pouch. That's not makeup. I always have these everywhere, these lens things. I did carry this perfume. Remember I said I was going to carry from the Toka Discovery sample size. There was like 7, so I thought I'll carry 1 per week and see if I like it. I'm really loving Florence. Yep. Stella's what got me started. I love the fragrance Stella. But I'm liking that Lawrence, that one too. And then this is Thrive Makeup, Thrive's Cosmetics. I don't think it has anything to do with Thrive Farmers. But anyway, it's fantastic products. And this is kind of a plummy tone. Does it say what the tone is? Goodiana. Anyway, it's more plummy brown. And so it's perfect for me to do my brows. I know you're thinking, purple? It's like, it's not purple. Anyway, it works. But just in case, I also have this IT Cosmetics Brow Power. And it's got one end is a spoolie brush and the other end is an actual crayon. And it stays on really good. And it's easy to do. This is another brow one. Veroni Tattoo Eyebrow Pen. And this is the one that's got the 4 little prongs. And you can literally make the look of brows because of that. But can I tell you, it doesn't last very long. There's not a lot of product in it. This I love. This is the Double Tape from Tarte. One end of it is a black crayon liner for your waterline and your tight lining. The other end is a ink pen or felt tip liner pen, liquid liner to do like cat eyeliner. All on one stick, so I love it. But I also love this one. This is from Chanel. It's a little pricey though. And it is another crayon liner, and it's waterproof, and so I love it. So that's all that's in there, except another one of these. Y'all, I need them so often, whether it's from sweat or makeup or whatever reason. My glasses get smudges on them, and I can't see. So I think that's it, y'all. Let me just look. And one of the things I was going to show you, I think that is it. Let's see. Upside downy. Yes. Isn't that beautiful? Just look at that leather. And it smells so good. I've been very protective of it, but the whole point is it is casual, and you're going to get some skints on smooth leather, and it's going to wear and start getting really soft. It's meant to be. It's hobo. It's not supposed to be structured. Like I said, my other 2 bags that I feel are very chic and very iconic and very expensive, besides the Prada. This is my casual, can be crossbody. My other one is my Hermes. It's got 24 karat gold hardware. It is a structured bag, almost like a business suitcase. and it's a 30, so it's large. And the leather has relaxed. I think that's why I got it for such a deal, almost half price. On the Real, I think is where I got it. Or was it Poshmark? No, it wouldn't have been Poshmark. Probably the Real. And then the other one that I got on What Goes Around Comes Around is no, wait, I think I got it from an individual. I did. I personally bought it from an individual. Is my Chanel, um, it's lambskin. It's got the 24 karat gold hardware, but it's more elegant and prissy and could be date night, fussy. And it's got, the chain for both a hand or a shoulder bag. So that's one look. This is a casual everyday with jeans look, and the Hermes is more of like a business look. So while they are, it's like you got 3 bags. They're all in black and all expensive. It's like they're iconic. They are collector's items. I can sell this and make money on it just like I could my Hermes, my Chanel, and one day I will, just like I did that with my other jumbo. Oh, it was jumbo is the size. But instead of being caviar, which is what I sold, the caviar leather, I got the lambskin. It's what I wanted, and I love it. I'm so glad I did it. But I love this bag. It, like I said, it is adjustable strap. When you open it, the only thing that closes it back is these 2 very strong magnets. But then once you open it, it's just empty, y'all. There's not a side pouch you can put things in. There's not a zipper pouch you can put things in. There's not a zipper between. It's just one big open bag like a hobo would be. And that's why it's super, super casual, but I absolutely love it. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed my What's in My Purse video. Where are we? Okay, we just started back. So one of the things I want to point out is I'm using... Oh, the only other thing, it's not in here because I've got to write some stuff in it, is I have started carrying, this does make it heavier because this has got a lot of pages in it. I need to get a little bit thinner one, and I recently did. Also, this notebook, see, that's super thick paper and super thick, but it's a prayer journal. Not prayer journal, prayer list. This is my prayer list, and I'm using it for here on YouTube for Pure Bible, and if y'all tell me here on Bible Beauty, Fashion, and Fun, if you give me a prayer request, I'm writing it down, and we're going to pray about it. I do this when my friends or work associates or just anybody says, man, would you pray for me? I'm going through a tough time. And they say what it is. I'll go as soon as I can get to my pen and get alone and write it. Or I might write it right there in front of them and pray with them right there. But I've just decided I really do want to keep up. And I really do want to date it and know that when I see the Lord come through on that prayer, I'm just going to make note of the date and what happened. It's just good. It's faith building. But sometimes what you see happening is not necessarily a prayer turnout the way that you asked for it, but that you saw God work and the lives of people, regardless of the outcome. And we don't think of it like God does. So that's something to note as well. And so I decided I want to start writing it down and keeping it, because as I get older, honestly, I'm being very transparent. This is one of my prayer requests. I forget it. I just forget about it. I don't think that's new. I think I probably have always, once you move on from the current crisis and God solves a problem for you, you move on to the next thing. And the Bible says write it down. And you know why? So we don't forget. Don't forget what the Lord's done in the past. And when you are in a tough situation, remember the other tough situations He's brought you through. And some people may say, Beth, what I remember is when He didn't. Is when I had an absolute nightmare to walk through. That does not mean God did not come through. He walked you through a nightmare because you're still here and you're strong. And maybe you're weak. Maybe you have anxiety. Maybe you have trauma from it. He still walked you through that, and He still is helping you. I don't believe when God doesn't do exactly what we tell Him to do, or what we want, or what we think we need, that He is incompassionate. Of course He loves us. He died for us to save us from death. Anybody who wants that can have it. Anybody can come the same exact way. I remember what somebody told me, it's so narrow-minded, Beth, that you think there's only one way. I'm like, not only is it not narrow-minded, it couldn't be more fair. It's not 15 different ways everybody's got to figure out. It's one way. You come through Jesus Christ. There is no other way. God decides. not you, not me. And he decided, and he said, this is how you go. You place your faith and your trust in him, you're in. And he will help you learn to walk that out in your life. Should you? Absolutely. Will you do it perfectly? No. That's why I went to the cross. It was necessary. So there's my little soapbox for the day. But anyway, okay. So anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this What's in My Purse, and kind of a purse review of one that I've wanted, and I've really enjoyed and thought was a dream, but I saved up for it. I sold three other purses that I was not loving. They're beautiful Brahmins, but I wasn't loving them. I got rid of that, put some money with it, and got this, and I love it. And I feel like it was a good investment, and I think I'll really enjoy the bag. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Comment below your thoughts, and and also any prayer requests you have. And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!